Today we will demonstrate the replacement of the SUP23T reflective lens. Loosen fixing screws. Remove the motor back cover. Slowly pull out the cable. Loosen the upper set screw. Pull out the motor module. Cover with masking tape to keep ash out. Loosen the fixing screws of the reflective bracket to replace the reflective lens. Be careful when installing reflective lens. The face of the lens is facing the same direction as the connector port. Adjust the angle of the reflective lens. Make it swing from side to side in the same amplitude. Assemble the motor module back into the gun. Tighten the screws. Plug the cable back in. The next step must be to center the red light. Make sure the red light is centered. Reinstall motor back cover. The reflective lens has been replaced.